We're professional idiots. Do not attempt to reenact any of these stunts seen on film. Damn, them are some hot beans.
And this is what happens when four rednecks try to ride on a lawnmower being pulled by a Mustang, as you can see. And as you can tell here, my buddy Tyler flipped the bitch. Tyler, come here. You gotta be in the video.
Sounds like the fucking tires just come off.
No,
What's it sound like it's coming off?
That's the side thing.
That's the deck. Oh!
Alright, Tyler, here we come. Any words you gotta say to the camera here, buddy?
Wear your seatbelt, and when you're doing something stupid, wear your helmet, and you got a cigarette?
No.
Make sure you don't do it next to a fence
With trees.
with trees, and we got a phone call.